Have you ever wondered what life would be like if the Earth was flat? Imagine a world where the horizon stretches out in a straight line forever. A time when ancient cultures believed in a flat Earth, resting on the back of a giant turtle. Or perhaps a disk floating in the cosmic sea. This isn't mere mythology but a thought experiment that challenges our understanding of reality. Let's dive into this peculiar world of what-ifs and explore life on a flat Earth. We live on a round Earth, an oblate spheroid to be precise. It's an accepted fact, a reality that we've come to understand through centuries of scientific exploration and observation. Our Earth, this vast, spinning sphere, is held in shape by gravity, an invisible force that pulls everything toward the center. It's gravity that keeps us grounded, that keeps the oceans from spilling off into space. As the Earth rotates on its axis, we experience the ebb and flow of day and night. We watch the sun rise and set, a reliable rhythm that marks the passage of time, and it's the tilt of this axis that gives us our seasons. As the Earth journeys around the sun, that tilt means different parts of the globe are exposed to varying amounts of sunlight, creating the weather patterns we're familiar with. But what if all of this was not the case? What if the Earth was flat? Imagine, if you will, a world where the Earth is flat. In this alternative reality, our planet isn't a spinning globe, but rather a flat disk, a plane upon which we all exist. The believers of this theory, the flat earthers, propose a radically different view of the world. At the very edge of this disc-shaped world, they posit, stands a massive ice wall, a natural barrier that prevents anything from falling off the edge. Quite an adventurous hypothesis, don't you think? Then there's the matter of gravity, the invisible force that keeps us grounded. In the flat Earth model, it isn't the mass of the planet pulling objects towards its center. Instead, it's imagined as a constant downward force, pulling everything straight down, irrespective of where on the disk you stand. The flat Earth theory paints a very different picture of our world, doesn't it? It's a fascinating thought experiment, challenging our understanding of the world we inhabit. Life on a flat Earth would be dramatically different. Imagine gravity, that invisible force keeping us grounded, behaving oddly. On a flat Earth, gravity would no longer pull everything towards the center. Instead, it would pull everything towards the middle of the disk, resulting in an unusual experience. Stand near the edge and you might feel as though you're perpetually leaning sideways. Now let's consider climate and geography. On a round Earth, climate zones are created by the way sunlight hits at different angles. On a flat Earth, well, it's anyone's guess. Perhaps we'd have a scorching hot center and progressively colder edges like a colossal pancake on a griddle. Geography would be equally baffling. The concept of down under for Australia would be a thing of the past, and getting from one place to another would be a whole new challenge. Then comes the matter of technology. Satellite television, GPS, even the internet all rely on a spherical Earth. On a flat Earth, these technologies would need to be radically rethought if they could work at all. Finally, consider the sun, moon, and stars. On a flat Earth, we'd all see the same constellations at the same time and there would be no time zones. The sun would either always be visible or disappear entirely, depending on your location. A flat Earth would surely make for a strange, perhaps even surreal existence. So, what can we take away from this thought experiment? Well, we've certainly journeyed through some fascinating terrain. We've explored the concept of a flat Earth and pondered its implications. We dove into the hypothesis, contemplated the effects on gravity, climate, geography, and the celestial bodies we see twinkling in the night sky. We also considered how exploration, technology, and our daily lives would be impacted by such a shift in reality. On this hypothetical flat Earth, life would be drastically different. Our understanding of physics, the way we navigate, and even the way we perceive the world around us would be fundamentally altered. However, our Earth is beautifully round, and that's something we can appreciate. Its spherical shape impacts our lives in countless ways, many of which we might take for granted. It's safe to say that life as we know it hinges on our Earth being round. So let's appreciate our oblate spheroid home and continue to explore its wonders.